Welcome. In front of me is a Oppo A94, and today I'll show you how we can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications, expand them, and locate the actual toggle. For me, it's on the second page right over here. Now this is the default orientation of all the toggles, so hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. Anyway, once you find it, the first time around I recommend holding it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how it functions. So go over the settings right here and set them up to fit your needs. Once you have done so, you can close this and go back to the toggle and simply tap on it, select turn on, and that's it. It's right now running in the background, which you can see with this moon icon right over here. Now once you're done with your Do Not Disturb mode, you can find it once more, tap on it again, and this will now turn it off. And additionally, if you are using or planning to use the scheduled mode, which you can see right over here, just make sure that you enable it from here like so, and that's all you will need to do. Now in the schedule mode, you can actually create new ones if you want to, edit the ones that exist if you want to change it. But if you're planning to use the schedule, make sure you enable this here and then nothing else. So anyway, that is how we can set up your Do Not Disturb mode and use it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.